Hey everybody, welcome to episode 3 of In the Shop. Okay, so episode 3 of In the Shop, we actually are rebuilding or putting a cylinder head onto this engine. It was rebuilt and then we were putting a cylinder head and putting it into the car. So just talk real briefly about why we're doing this. This was a car we bought as a project car, which we will have a more complete video coming. Not as much of a DIY, but more of a follow along while we build this engine, put it together completely from being a short block all the way up to where we're at now. So this normally would be something that you would be interested in because of your a timing head issue, jump timing causing that to happen. You can see here, it's the timing side of the engine. It is out of the vehicle and everything is either behind this lower timing cover, which we have shown all of that. And then here's your upper part with your cam bridge and all of this camshaft stuff. So this is a job that is a pretty big one and is something that I don't recommend necessarily everybody tackle, but our more thorough video will explain kind of a complete overview of everything. It's going to be a much longer version that are in the shop. And so that's today's In the Shop. We are going to be finishing up replacing this engine, putting all the timing stuff together, and then throwing it in the car. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more like this.